Hello everyone, this is Lorrie Hargis on Domaine de Castillou in the south of France. I just went for my morning walk and came down here to the rosemary field to do my morning meditation. And as I was doing my meditation, the sun came through and hit the rosemary, and I started getting whiffs of rosemary. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to share this with them, because as I was smelling the rosemary, the sun beating down on that and sniffing the rosemary, I was really able to focus in more during my meditation. I was able to be more aware. And this is something that's very important right now during all the things that are going on, fires, earthquakes, protests, all this. We need to be in the present moment to be able to take our attention and focus inward. So that way we don't get caught up in all those things. And this is the reason why I wanted to share this with you today. So take just a couple short sniffs of the plant. You can just crush it up in your hand like that. And get that beautiful, heady, cineole aspect of rosemary, herbaceous. It's beautiful, isn't it, rosemary? It helps us with our memory. It helps us focus in. And this is something we're going to be talking about in our upcoming live training. And in our live training, we're going to talk about anxiety and depression. It's our new master class. So I'm going to put the link up to make sure you get signed up. It's totally free, this training is. And we can't wait to see you there so you can get this valuable information and learn more about rosemary, depression, anxiety, and other essential oils that can help you in your daily life with what you're going through at this time. Don't forget your essentials. Use your common sense. Au revoir.